If you're a student and are interested to enhance your knowledge in terms of using artificial intelligence to enhance your already existing educational skills, then this video is for you. So Google One has launched a program, and I just realized that it has been in existence since late last year, and this program is specifically for students at a higher educational institution, and if you are part of the 140 countries that have been listed. So what you're going to do, guys, is that you're going to come to this page here. I'm going to put the link below in the description box and even in the comment section, and you're going to see all the university student exclusive offers that Google AI Pro is offering to students. So personally for me, I was only able to get into this student offer. That is what it gave me, and depending on your country, you're going to see the currency in your specific currency type. So when you click to this, when you look at these offers here, I will just use the first example. You can see the first bonus, apart from the research and writing help and content creation and the 400 GB storage, you have access to Gemini Plan Premium, Google Flow, Google Search, Gemini in Gmail, Gemini Notebook, Google Flow Music. So once you have already decided, you look through the offers that they have and you see what, like, if you are really interested in taking advantage of this specific program. Like I said, this one is the one which is free for the next 12 months. You're going to be brought to this page, and in this page you're going to be required to fill in all the necessary information, and once you have finished, you're supposed to verify your student status. Guys, if you know you do not have you're not a student and you are not in any education, this technology is very advanced. They are going to check and they are going to pre-populate your data. So for me, they pre-populated for me the data, my university email, and then I put my bank details, and they deducted, I think, only $0.8 just to check whether the card was working or not. But I got an email saying that I'm going to access this program for free for the next 12 months, and 7 days before the 12-month trial period is over, I'm supposed to cancel my subscription so that they do not charge me any amount. So guys, please, if you are a student or know someone who's a student at a higher educational level, please go through the website and be sure to share these opportunities with people. You never know, it could be the next step to their breakthrough. Thank you so much for watching, guys.